gotta do is buy a pro pad if you wanna drop scat. 100,000 on me, can your baby daddy talk? Nigga, this ain't rebirth, we spank your dumb ass, you can't get brought back. I got a G Flex and a switchy on me. Which one you wanna die to? All you gotta do is pick it, homie. I was hard body as a kid, one no nigga picking up.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Rock Tactical, and today I'm back with a banger video. Now this is a range video, so I ain't finna be talking that much. I just want to give y'all my update on the 7.62 Super Safety before you see the video. Now, I know y'all probably wondering, what is 7.62 even wrong with the Super Safety? Insert video right now. Alright, so today we talking about 7.62 5-inch micro AR pistol. It is clear, YouTube. Please don't demonetize this video. It is clear. Now, you see we got the funds button in that motherfucker. Super safe, safe, semi. Now, first things first. You will need a H2 buffer to run super safe. H2 or higher. You will need a M16 cut lower, so your super safety won't have any problems engaging, disengaging. You feel me? Only problem, well, basically the only problem I had while I was shooting a super safe is I got like about 3 or 4 light primer strikes, but that's because I do have a cheap mil spec lower parts kit in here. I think the lower parts kit was like 13 bucks for the hammer spring and all that, so it's a weak spring. So that's probably the only thing I'm gonna have to upgrade. Other than that, bro, this thing runs crazily. Like, look at the barrel. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's so dirty in there, bro. Yeah, the barrel is dirty. It was smelling burnt, like gas block almost burnt off. But one thing I can say, you running that fail safe BCG, you're gonna be good. You're not gonna have any problems. If you're running that fail safe fail zero BCG, no problem. You're just gonna have to clean it. It's the only thing that super safe gets it dirty fast. Key tips to get your 7.62 super safe running: H2 buffer, enhanced hammer spring, and that's it. Like, literally, that's it. Now, I know you guys are gonna see the video and be like, it was jamming sometimes. It wasn't jamming at all. I didn't get a jam one time. I didn't get a failure to feed one time. Now, I had one mag related issue, and I had, like I say, a couple of like 5 or 6 light primer strikes. You know, but other than that, it's gonna run flawless. Now, with the magazine issue, I have a couple mags. I have a couple mags. I did a video on them. The mag, some mag was fucking up. A mag was just running from me, so I'm gonna just basically stick to that mag. Now, I did have to put these sights on here, because when you're shooting super safe and all those fireballs, that little cheap red that I had on there did not cut it. Getting rid of this brace, getting a better brace. This brace, whatever, it just messes up everything. This little hole right here will leave a hole on your body. And yeah, that's about it. Think about throwing a little extra grip up front. But yeah, that's about it. That's about it, man. If you need a super safe, hit me up on IG. IG will be in the comments. If you need help getting your super safe running. Now, oh yeah, what I was gonna say. When you first start shooting it, it's gonna bind up a little bit because something about your shelf in the inside, it's gonna keep getting stuck. Let it do that. Slap it. Mine only got stuck one time. Slapped it, didn't get stuck again. So if you shooting it, it's gonna naturally unbind it itself and create the space it needs. Just make sure it's oiled back there so you know you won't break your super safety lever. Other than that, man, we getting right into the video. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Now, it shocked me when I shot this on super safe because I didn't think it was gonna run. If you know, 7.62 has the most problems out of an AR platform, so I'm like, super safe mode is gonna fail. Now, one more thing for everybody who thinks super safe is a full auto. Super safe is not a full auto. Super safe is an assisted trigger reset. The safe, the super safe thing in the inside, when you slide this, bang, your charger handle back. When the bolt comes back, or you can take it off safe. Boom, right? If you hold it, if you keep holding it, when you rack it, when the bolt comes back, you feel your finger moving. So that way, as soon as the bolt comes forward, it shoots again. Watch my finger. Y'all seen that? Like, watch the finger, watch the finger. It's very hard to see, but once you're shooting, you know this is an assisted reset trigger, not a fully automatic trigger. I know you guys say fully automatic in your titles to get views, but call it what it is. Don't call it a fully automatic, because that gives the ATF ammo to ban it. So other than that, man, we getting right into the super safe video. You guys make sure y'all stay tapped in. I got super safe coming on everything, so I just had to do the 7.62 first because y'all know my favorite build. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Any questions, hit me up on IG. Everything will be in the comments down below.
Set it down.
That bitch go.
Hold on. Damn, why my shit so close?
Y'all ready?
Hold on, hold on.
Wait.
Hold on, let me
You ready?
Go ahead.
That bitch hot like a tomato.
Go ahead, go crazy.
In that bitch.
Hey. Hold it, right.
That's all.
That in there?
That's it.
You can't look. You don't.
Just hold it.
Yeah.
All right, I'm about to do that bitch one time. I heard.
Please, wait.
He talking about wait. Ready?
Hold it, remember, hold it, go.
I felt that bitch over.
Watch this. CS dude go crazy though. Go crazy though. They be saying them bitches jam. Y'all just seen it. Binary motherfucker.
That bitch ain't that.
Damn! It ain't done. Pull it.
Hey, what is this?
762 motherfucker super. To be exact, motherfucker.
This nigga the black.
Let him hold it. Break it back, charge it. Go. Now hold it. Let that motherfucker go. Let it go, let's go. Let it go. That's it. Set it down.
Hit me for it.
You let that motherfucker go or something.
See, record it.
Huh? Word? Right.
You letting it go.
Bro, we ain't let that
You letting
bitch
it go.
That bitch
I'm
is-
telling you letting it go. Come here. Look at this shit. Every time, bro.
Popping out.
Yeah, bro. I got it.
You think it's...
No, I know what it is. I know what it is. Huh?
His ain't there.
Next shot. Why you going back so far, Brady? bitch went down.
That bitch blow.
Yo, YouTube, I ain't gonna lie. We just tripped in this bitch.